Angelina Jolie has opened up about her kids' unique fashion sense, and how each of them express themselves differently on the red carpet. Angelina Jolie, 46, is a proud mother of 6, and stepped out with all of her kids in tow at the UK premiere of Eternals. Her children all cut different, yet equally stylish figures, as they walked the red carpet, and Ange opened up about making premieres a family affair. "I think the important thing is they haven't made a choice, they've been public for their whole lives. And so, we try to find a way where they cannot be overwhelmed by it, but just be in it in a comfortable way," Angelia told ET. The A-lister noted that her kids are now comfortable in this very public setting, which only constituted a tiny part of their lives as a family. "It's a tiny piece of our life. We are just a family, but this little piece of our life where this is a moment. I'm happy that they're able to have some fun with it and not take it too seriously, and start to explore themselves, even with their fashion." As for the upcoming Marvel film, Eternals is set to star a very diverse cast of superheroes. "It's not so much of my life, but when I take my kids to it, when I was standing with the cast, I look around at this family in the film, and of course I think, oh, Z could be Macquarie for Halloween, Mad can be Gilgamesh, and that's not for many families represented. Have I been able to feel that, because we are a mixed family. So it's wonderful." Related gallery. Angelina Jolie out and about with her kids, photos with Shiloh, the twins and more. Earlier in the month, Ange's kids Maddox, 20, Sahara, 16, Shiloh, 15, Vivian, 13, and Knox, 13, joined her for the film's Los Angeles premiere, and all donned upcycled looks. "My kids are all mixed with vintage, and in my old Oscars dress. We did all vintage and upcycled my old stuff," she told ET at the time. As fans would recall, Zahar totally stole the spotlight in a sparkly silver gown that her mom wore to the 2014 Academy Awards. "We can't believe how quickly her kids are growing up,"